Hello everyone, my name is Bobby and this is Jay. We are from ESLEO class and this is the event. We found money for Terry Fox Foundation. We're doing this to support the cancer research. I think it is a glorious job for us to do it and I really like this.
At first, we have some hard things because we don't know about the process of donating Terry Fox. But at last time, we knew that all of things, so we are doing very good. Me and my friends, we are baking together the cookies. It was chocolate chip cookies, and we have lots of difficulties too. We have to bake some cookies in the weekday or so in weekend. So we always do for more over the 4 hours to bake cookies after the class. Also, we have some assignment or discussion posts, so it was really hard. We're feeling hard to selling the cookies, and lots of friends said cookies is a little bit sweet, so we changed the chocolate to less sweet things.
We're having a really good atmosphere here in the Italian school. After a salesman as myself, I think I learned a lot of skills to sell and talking with others. So I think it is a very good event.
I planned this activity and because lemon tea is very common and popular in China, and I think it will be also popular in Canada. So I bought the lemons, the lemonade and black tea for this event with my friends. It's very happy because I can work with my friends and raise money for the cancer research.